We can also complete activity 36 by only focusing on the takeaway, saying whole, takeaway, part equals part. I'm going to model this for the whole of 6. So each player would place the whole that they're focusing on the top row of their scoreboard. The player would go first and drop the counters. They say 6, take away, and they take away the counters while they say it. 3 equals 3. It's important that the action matches the words. We then place a block that matches the part that is the answer, and I'll put that on my frame. It doesn't matter whether you take away the green or the blue, that's your choice. Player 2 would go, and they spill, I'm going to pretend that it's 2 and 4, and they say 6, take away 4 equals 2, and they place the part of 2. You can play for 3 minutes, and whoever places the most number of parts is the winner. Just keep in mind that when you're placing blocks in subsequent turns, you need to place them to build 6. So this player wouldn't place an answer of 4 on this line, they would place it to build the 6.